guys, after you finish watching, make sure you grab our free trend direction dashboard from the link under the video. The dashboard alerts you in real time for the strongest and weakest pairs to be trading. You will always trade the strongest trends with our free dashboard for MT4. Make maximum profit every day. Welcome to our quick tutorial on the best MT4 support and resistance indicator. You can grab this free on the link under the video. This indicator performs amazing at IC markets on raw spreads. A link for this is also provided. So, first you can use the default indicator settings. Then take a look at the support and resistance clusters. Using a 4-hour chart, you will notice clusters of blue and red support and resistance which are lined up, kind of creating zones. Once the low or high of these zones break, you can find a good profitable trade. The arrows will alert you when a break happens. Then trade and use the opposite side of the zone as your initial stop loss area. You can trail your stop with the price. As you can see, this support breakout would have made significant profit all the way down to the next support resistance cluster. Once you have closed a trade, wait for the next cluster of support or resistance to form. We would recommend looking for at least 2 red or blue zones to form close to each other. Unless the market is moving fast, which we will show you on the next chart. Keep watching. So, now let's look at a fast-moving market. The dollar has been on a real strong trend. If you have seen that on our free trend dashboard, link under video, then you will know that you can wait for a resistance or support breakout and make a high probability trade. Any of these resistance breakouts would have given you good profit. Find the best strong trends using our free trend direction dashboard. Link under video.